This is a used 2004 Hyundai Elantra, powered by front-wheel drive, a 2-liter, 4-cylinder engine. The features include an adjustable tilt steering wheel, an alarm system, keyless entry, privacy glass, air conditioning, power windows, power steering, and AM/FM stereo. Safety was made a priority with these features: side airbags, independent suspension, a passenger airbag, front ventilated disc brakes, child safety locks. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.
River Valley Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 850 Fern Drive, Baldwin, Wisconsin 54002.